Hello everybody. Hey, what do you think of my latest tree of birds? I've made this so many times now, and this version is really good example of why I like to work on mesh, because I was working on it for me. I like to have one of these on the go all the time. It's a really nice one to work on every now and again. Anyway, I was about halfway through it when the lovely Mills family visited, and they wanted to buy it. They collect my work. But they felt there were too many bluebirds in there, which is to my taste, of course. So it was very easy for me to remove 12 of the bluebirds and replace them with green and orange birds, which was more to their taste. This mosaic needs a focal point, I think, and in this case it's a cuckoo. In the past it's been a bird on a nest, it's been an egg on a nest, it's been a pair of birds, hoopoes you may recall, signifying the client. I've done an Australian version, I've done a pink version, I'm working on an Australian version again now. There was a Canadian one, on it goes. Anyway, as always, I've written an accompanying verse to this piece, which goes like this. The cheeky tree of birds. Come and take a look at this tree of birds. It's really hard to describe in words, because whilst the gold makes it look Byzantium, it's really by Martin Cheekium.